Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions like excitement, surprise, joy, or anger. These sentences always end with an exclamation mark to show intense feeling. They make our speech more powerful and emotional. Exclamatory sentences show strong feelings and always end with an exclamation mark. Their purpose is to express excitement, surprise, anger, or joy. These sentences make normal statements much more powerful and emotional. Here are common examples of exclamatory sentences. What a fantastic day shows excitement about beautiful weather. How beautiful the flowers are expresses admiration. I can't believe it shows surprise. Wow, that's amazing shows wonder. Oh no, I lost my keys shows worry. Exclamatory sentences follow specific patterns. First pattern uses interjection plus complete sentence like wow, that was amazing. Second pattern uses what or how plus subject plus verb like what a brilliant idea. Every exclamatory sentence has a subject and ends with exclamation mark. To create exclamatory sentences, transform normal statements. The fireworks were stunning becomes what stunning fireworks. This book is interesting becomes what an interesting book this is. She has a talent for painting becomes how talented she is at painting. Notice how word order changes for emphasis. Exclamatory sentences express many emotions. Wow, that was incredible shows amazement. Ouch, that really hurts shows pain. Look out, car coming warns danger. Help, I'm drowning calls for rescue. Amazing, can't believe it shows disbelief. Hooray, we won celebrates victory. Follow these 4 rules for correct exclamatory sentences. First, always end with exclamation mark. Second, use what a or and plus noun plus subject plus verb. Third, use how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. Fourth, interjection plus comma plus complete sentence also works. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions powerfully and always end with exclamation mark. Use what a plus noun plus subject plus verb, or how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. Interjections like wow, oh no, amazing, or help also create exclamatory sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.